Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2020 Toyota CHR. This is the hybrid sport model, finished in a blue metallic paint. It's got a low annual road tax of €180. It's entity exempt up until 2024. It's got a full Toyota service history and is sold at the balance of the manufacturer's warranty. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard, with the LED daytime running lights. It's got the 18-inch diamond cut multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got very clean bodywork. It's got the rear tinted privacy glass, chrome strips on the windows. It's got a nice size spacious boot with fold-down seats for additional space. It's also got the protective boot liner. Lots of legroom in the back. It's got the ISOFIX for the car seats on both sides. It's finished in a navy cloth interior, front armrest also. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got the automatic headlights, push button start, multifunctional steering wheel, built-in cruise control. It's got the radio and phone controls also. It's got the auto dim rearview mirror, touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's also got the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto function built in. It's got the reversing camera. It's got the heated front seats. It's got the dual climate control. It's also got the air conditioning, USB port, automatic handbrake. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox, and there's 25,472 kilometers on the clock. This Toyota CHR will make an ideal size family car, and here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. Please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie, where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thanks very much.